Hey, how's it going, guys? Today I'm checking out the Soundcore Life Q35s. This is the successor of the Life Q30s that was available for around $80 on Amazon before. So I'm guessing that this is what the price is going to be. At the time I'm recording this, it's not available yet. So hopefully we'll get to see what that is. I'll have a link down below where you can check that out. This looks like it's a lot similar to the Life Q30s based on the specs back here. Starting off with showing that it's got 5-minute charging, which equals 4-hour playtime. So there's some kind of quick charge there. There's NFC for quick pairing, touch for transparency mode, 40-hour playtime. Oh, obviously you guys know that some of this is stretched. This one seems kind of nice, smart wearing detection. So when you take it down, it'll stop playing music, and then when you put it back up on your ears, it'll start. The music will start, or whatever you're listening to. In the box, before anything else, there is this kind of seal sticker that they have, but it's a fail because this one wasn't even stuck on it at all. But I'm assuming it's new, regardless. So you got the case itself. I think you got the user guide right here. It's a nice soft texture, but it's hardcover. This case, and inside of that is the headphones itself. Let's put that to the side. Inside of this is probably, I'm assuming, where the charging cable is. Aux cable. And yep, that's USB Type-C right there. This is pretty interesting they included this. I'm guessing this is meant for when you're in those airplanes that still have those two like jacks to put in headphones. That's one place that this can be used at. I don't know where else really. The one I have here is in obsidian blue. They have one other color. I think it's called like pinkish pearl. Something with pearl. I can't remember what it was. Anyways, I like the look of this. It has a nice soft texture feel, except on the top. It looks kind of nice, but it's just hard plastic all around. And on the side, you've got this NFC chip here where you can touch it with your Android phone. And then if you hold for a second, you can touch for transparency. And on the bottom, you got some more stuff. You got the 3.5mm headphone jack, play pause button. I'm not sure exactly what this button is. I think it's a power button. Oh, volume up and down keys. How could I get that mixed up? The power key is right here. And this is an indicator for when it's charging. And then noise cancellation button is right here. And then on the side is a USB-C cable or port to recharge it. The headphone cushion seems pretty nice. It's about the same as the Life Q30s. So this gets hot. At least those got hot in my ears after an hour. And I expect the same thing to happen with these, because it doesn't look any different than the old ones that I had, the Life Q30s. Setup is simple. You just go into Bluetooth and find Soundcore Life Q35s. And they also have their own app where you can download called Soundcore. I just got to download it again because I haven't used it for a while. The UI is pretty simple to understand on this. After you connect your headphones to Bluetooth on your phone, then you can go into the app here. You click on My Devices, or instead of My Devices, you can click on the headphones. This is the Life series. Then you can click on Life Q35s. I already have it connected, so just going to go back into My Devices here. And then from there you can go ahead and change the ambient sound to noise cancellation or transparency mode. You can also adjust the equalizer. You can have a custom one. I think you have to create an account for this. I thought it said something like that beforehand, but I guess not. So you can either have it custom, or you can see the ones that they have here, which is Sound Signature or Soundcore Signature, Acoustic, Bass Reducer, etc. So I've used this for a few hours now. First and foremost, after like an hour or so, these start to get warm in my ears of just having it on. Normally, if you're in a cold climate, it's not going to be an issue. Otherwise, yeah, it's going to be kind of a problem. It's going to get uncomfortable. The other thing is, when you bring the headphones down, normally they're supposed to stop playing. And this did work today. Yesterday, I was noticing some more issues with this. Like, maybe, I want to say, like 40% of the time, it didn't work. When I brought the headphones down, the music or sound audio kept playing. And that was kind of unfortunate. The sound doesn't get too loud, which I kind of prefer it to be a little louder when I'm listening to EDM. When I'm listening to EDM, like when I'm going out for a run or something. And I did try to just run around a little bit with these, and I don't know if you might notice some issues if you have noise canceling on. the sound gets kind of wavy. It's a little hard for me to describe it, but that's the best way I can kind of say it. So I wouldn't use these for running. Working out, I guess so. Doesn't really seem like a problem, assuming it's not like, heavy. It's not like a lot of movements. Otherwise, you'll hear that kind of wobbliness in the sound. In terms of sound quality, this is pretty bass heavy, a little more than I want it to be at times, especially for a song that I never realized was that bass heavy until now. Uh, Thankfully, the equalizer helps with bass reduction, and it surprisingly works well, a little better than I expected or anticipated, which is a good thing. So sound can kind of balance out with the mids, lows, and highs in that scenario or in that sense. Not an audiophile, so I can't really go deep into it. Nor have I really tried out other headphones around this price point. The only brands I know of that I would also recommend checking out are the Audio Technicas. I love I think it was ATH M50s. They go for like double this price, so you get what you pay for, and those were definitely clear. Not saying that these aren't. I'm just saying for the price, these are decent. Maybe uh, I'm not sure. I wish it was just a little louder. That's the only thing I could really say. Other than that, yeah, sound quality was fine. Noise canceling was good. In the other earbuds that I tried with them, this was an issue. I guess the Life Q35s kind of fixes this, which is good to know, of course. But besides that, I think I've covered everything. I mean, if there's anything I missed out on, I'll try to update it in the description, and there will be a link down below as to where you can get this. Leave a like if you found this video helpful, and subscribe if you want to see more. As always, thanks for watching.